Okay, something showed up this morning. Looks kind of cool. I'm gonna check it out. Now, this is a drift shop. I can only assume it's some sort of crazy ass drift car, right? But Nick's gonna come out. We're gonna get a good look at it. From what I see here, there's a pretty rad cage in it. So, I'm curious. Oh, hey. All right. How it's going, man? How's it going? My little reference when I did it, the line in the damn thing, but you go get it. Hey, at least once it's in, you can just pull the roof off and finish the welds. Yeah. Well, just for the rest of the cycle. You gonna do full cage or just a half? Just a half cage. Just a half? Oh, come on, man. Still my daily driver, as of right now. I have no car if I don't make this run today. Dudes, check it out. We're back in Nick's drift shop. You saw the stuff that happened on the last video. Well, looks like the Miata became not only the daily, but the daily drifter. So, he's putting a cage in there. He does a lot of fab work around here in the shop. That's the name of the game. That's the idea. That's the plan. So, basically, shit. Just got another drift car going on. Open it up a bit. On the floor, there's a screw on the side. Yeah. Just loosen it up. Okay, put it in as low as we can. No higher, so it doesn't go on the. Okay, pump now. Like. Not the nicest stack of 2019, but well, it's got a hold. It's got a hold. You can see the gap here. Well, the gap here. Off, so I guess it's holding. No, it's good. Yeah. The gap here are not to be shown. You can fund your whole build, by the way. You see what's back here? I got like $100 bucks. Yeah. Well, a bit more because it's dome tubing. Because I'm not suicidal. There's all the floors like this. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be solid enough for who it is anyway. Well, now we can't take a look. Huh? No, legit can't take a look. Oh no? Because it's right over the mounting point? Right over the mounting point. So, I need a screwdriver. Took me like an hour to do that shit. Oh, how's your day besides that? Huh? Not bad. Trying to get my shit organized. Drift life. The rest, the APA guys too, because they're Miatas, they gotta do the same thing. Okay. I'm gonna screw the roof on. Put hood pins, man. Yeah, bro. Hood pins on my roof. What screens race car motor car knows that too. I'm gonna pull over that strange looking Miata with the scaffolding in the back. How far back are you putting the shock towers? Oh yeah? Yeah. So you cutting right through the sheet metal here? Yeah, here. Put it right there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I want to survive more than I. Yeah, no. It's making that rattling noise, I hate it. Bro, I legit can't. This is the street. No, I'm not gonna be able to take it off. Bum, bum, bum. Why am I so stupid? Let's put it pressure. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Take the other clip off. Throw a seat in, I guess. Perfect. Smart for that. But you're fitting it, you're sitting it, you good? Well, the question is not if I fit. If the seat fits, I fit. Yeah, but like, yeah, I mean, it's not too close to the question. Oh, yeah. Well, am I? That's what I'm saying. Sitting it. Yeah. I have a tall chest. I don't have tall legs. It's gotta be a bit higher. Oh, my head. Is my head free? Yeah, you're clear. You're close, but you're clear. The roof and my helmet. No, it's gonna stay on the floor right there. Yeah, that's how race seat's supposed to be. Yeah. Oh, we're almost saying I'm happy with this. Yeah, I can put the bar behind even. That's how it goes, man. Bucket seat in the Miata.
Don't.
Yeah, it's happening. I really like it.
Really happy with it?
No, I need a quick race.
Okay, something showed up this morning. Looks kind of cool. I'm gonna check it out. Now, this is a drift shop. I can only assume it's some sort of crazy ass drift car, right? Nick's gonna come out. We're gonna get a good look at it. From what I see here, there's a pretty rad cage in it. I'm curious. Look at all that carbon. Look at the, oh snap! What the fuck? Who did this?
He bought it like that, actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the swap is badly made. The car's not,
Jesus
not
Christ.
running well. I'm here to make it run well.
That's wow. That's pretty insane.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, the hood's not completely on the top.
There's crazy stuff here. Woo. About this.
It's got the race seats and the scaffoldings in the back.
Yeah. That's so weird with the, it's like, it was a full cage, I guess?
It was a full cage before.
And he chopped it out. So what
It out to make it a street car.
oh my god.
Yeah.
What?
Well,
Yeah.
it was
Oh my god. This thing, we were gonna like roll it down a cliff and then drive away? Or?
I don't know, man. It's a solid, extreme
Holy.
case. It's like, it's almost insane. Like, it's too, you know.
It's too much. Cool ass interior. Look at the cages.
Still the stock steering, so we can drive on the street. Sketchy shifting now.
Because it's an MV35 in there or what?
Yep. No, it's a T56.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, but everything's so far forward and it's,
Yeah.
whoa. Hey, it's kind of the same seats I got. Look at this. Got some Canadian Tire gauges. Sweet. So, yeah. This is, so that is definitely something else. I bet you this guy's gonna drift it.
He wants to. He wants to sell it, actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm feeling not insured.
Same.
That's true, right? You got that one too.
Same car.
It's cursed.
Yeah, that thing has something. Maybe because I'm cutting it up. What's that? That's what we got to do. It's almost lined up, man. It's gonna be good.
It's the other us's.
Glasses back on. Because we're safe.
Safety first.
There you go. Give me some space to weld. And that's it. I'm gonna tack it. I like the way it is now. There you go.
He's in the same kind of position as me. We're getting ready. Like the season's coming to an end, so we're just kind of keeping things rolling until it's time to really buckle down and work hard for the winter season. That's when we got time to do big heavy mods, stuff like that. Better quality, better video, more content.
More time into it.
Yeah, more organized, more direction.
More
it's gonna
order
get
in the
good.
shop. We're gonna get real with this. That's what this thing runs. It's gonna make me happier.
So then if this is gonna be your daily drift car, I'm gonna use like my RX-7 as like the street drift car too. So what are you gonna use for a crazy ass car?
Yeah, 8.6.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8.6 gotta do one.
That's gonna be like
And I'm down to go with the
beep beep. Oh, we're gonna have to keep that one a secret. He almost blew it. We got a crazy idea that we're gonna try to pull off for you guys. It's gonna be sweet, but we'll see. We'll see. Shh, top secret.
I almost blew it, man. It was close. It was close, I can't say.
Oh, you got lucky.
Yeah.
Like when that shit works out. Never works out for me. I'm always missing that 1.5 inches.
I ordered 10 foot because I'm a professional, you know. That's what I did. That's not out of pure luck. That was all in
Okay. How many feet is that back, the bar?
108 inches. No, I had it cut in 10 feet because I knew I was doing Miatas this week. So
Okay.
I'm doing 2 of those. That's the one that doing another one. And my girlfriend.
You're doing hers too, yeah?
Yeah. Well, not with the same type of bar as us.
Okay.
I'll pick the car up pretty good.
You have to keep your window too if you throw some sparks into it.
Oh yeah.
Who are you? And what are you doing with this thing?
Launching.
No, that thing behind you.
Sound swapping.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know what yet. Depends on how the channel is going.
You can have a lot of drift cars.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell them.
That's what life's all about.
Yeah, yeah. Well, this one is like I kind of don't want to sell it.
It's like the,
Yeah.
it's the rooted, like.
Yeah, I just like it. I'm gonna keep it until it dies. Well, it's dead, but I'm gonna revive it one more time. So I gotta change a couple of things in it. I'm probably gonna put another engine in though. That engine is not, it's not happy. It's not happy that time. I think it's not happy that I've owned it. It's that centered. I want the bar to be lower, so I want to have a better welding point in the bottom. Since we won't see it, then we need more meat. Supposed to go something like that. Something like that. You like it?
I like it.
You look like shit in the front.
Oh, not
Really?
really. It's pretty tight.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Tight, bro?
Yeah.
Good. And that's what, inch and a half?
But I have to.
When is it? Sunday we're going? Sunday. Live. One side done. Now we're doing the next side. And if you didn't catch it before, the harness bar is actually going to go between the two back pillars. That way it gives him enough room that he can adjust everything properly and keep it nice, safe, and solid.
And you won't be able to drive it if I don't do that.
Drive this?
Yeah.
I won't be able to drive this anyway.
It worked though.
Yeah, crazy ass bend on that blade.
It's a Mastercraft blade anyway.
Take it back.
Does it look dangerous on there? That's great. Going up.
Chrome it and leave the top off.
Okay, so there's that. Time to test the roof of the lock.
Okay, the main structure of that cage is done. Like you said, we're gonna test that roof. Then, after comes the seat, harness bar, make sure everything clears.
Okay, you gotta put it up in the front of the lips, and then slide it forward. Right now it's not. Yeah, now you gotta put it. Yep, now okay, slide. Really good. Just gonna put one clip on, put yours on. Hey, the roof goes on. It's on now.
Are you listening?
Bro, almost. Yeah, it is all.
Check this out. Yeah, almost undetected.
Yeah.
Okay, let's ruin that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make a next and shit.
It's gonna
Right
look
now
even
it's
cooler.
proof. It's not gonna be for the next 20 minutes.
Alright.
Right now it's scum proof. It won't be the next 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna weld. I'm gonna welding now.
Weight reduction.
It's 67,000 miles this thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's it?
yeah, the cluster says 64, but I drove it since 2 months on 64.
Progress continues. It's a little later. Ran into some stuff. Some customers, some clients showed up. That's how it always is, right?
It never stops, man.
Yeah. So now, throwing this in, and there's a whole bunch of other people here too. Check it out. So, needless to say, more people are gonna show up. He's gonna continue doing what he can on that cage, but we're probably gonna get sidetracked and stuff. I mean, there's an open case of beer on the floor and everybody's we'll catch you later. Peace.